Hello guys and welcome back to this course. And last time we wrote the basic boilerplate code and we started off. If you haven't accessed the playlist yet, then go to the playlists and just check out the new playlist creating a pro website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is the first getting started, and if you don't know how we install VS Code, then you should watch this video. So now as I told you that in the last time, that today we are going to create the navigation bar for our website. So first of all, what you need to do is header. You need to just type header, and VS Code will automatically give you suggestions. See, and now inside that you need to make a division. If you are using VS Code, then just write div.the class, and okay. So now we are going to give it a class or a type of like if there is a football team, each football team has a name, so that's the class of the football team, and each player has a different ID or different number on his jersey. So that's the not the name of the type of jersey is the class, because they all wear the same jersey, but each jersey has a different number. That's called an ID. Now we're going to make a class. The name of the class is Nav Bar. Okay, now VS Code will have to complete this for you, and now just press enter. Now inside that you have to give an nav tag for the navigation bar. Inside that you need to give ul, which is unordered list, and inside that li, list items. Now here you need to make an anchor tag. Anchor tag is a clickable tag which lets you go to another website or same page or different page of the same website. Now here you can just put hash. Now okay, just go here and go keyboard shortcuts. Once you go to keyboard shortcuts, you should find copy line. Okay, copy line down. You should set a shortcut. Right now in my case it's tab plus D. So now I'm going to go back. I'm going to go on this line and press tab D. So this line will be copied down. Same, we're going to make 4 items. The first item will be home page, the most necessary page. Then the next item, blog page. The third item will be contact page, and the fourth will be about page. Okay, so now this will look really bad, but we need to click on go live and it will be opened. Now it is loading. Okay, so this is our website. Now it looks like this. Don't worry, we are going to style our navigation bar. Okay, let's head towards our VS Code again. And if you don't see this go live option over here, what you can do is simply right click over here in VS Code, and once you right click, then you can click on open with live server. Okay, that's it. Now next we are going to style it. So for styling it we need CSS. For that we need to make a CSS file. Click on the new file button, and now type style.css. You can type any name, but right now I'm giving the name as style.css. okay, and now you just simply have to press enter. After you do that, your style.css file will be created. Now you just have to open the style.css file, and then now let's see how to do it. First of all, write the star selector. So this what we select is called a selector, and then we have to style it by these brackets and press enter. Once you do that, then write font family. VS Code autocompletes it, and it shows lots of font families. We're going to do this. If we want, we can import font families from Google Fonts. So right now I'm going to open a new tab in Google and search here Google Fonts. Okay, once you search that, you will arrive on the website of Google Fonts. So just go here. You will get lots and lots of amazing fonts. So you just have to add them to cart. Okay, so I'm gonna purchase this one. Okay, actually not purchase, I'm just joking. I'm gonna take this one. It's free of cost. And scroll down. Okay, we're gonna take a regular 400 italic. I think this one is great. So I'm embedding this side and click on import. So I'm gonna just copy this and then paste it over there in my VS Code. Okay, just wait, it's getting hanged. Okay, I'm gonna paste this and the font family. Okay, I'm gonna copy. Okay, and I'm going to paste it and save it. Why is it showing this? Okay, what error? Selector specify, no quick fixes available. Okay, I haven't linked, so to link it below the title, just go and click on link. It will give you CSS and style.css. You just click here. Okay, yeah, font family should be this. Okay, so it's saying an error. Okay, so media query expected. So I don't know why it's saying right now. So basically what we need to do is body comma ul comma li. You're gonna set margin. Okay, margin. I don't know why it's seeing like that. I think I had made some mistake. Okay, margin. Style.css, what it's saying. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, I fixed it. It's this one I forgot. So if I write the star selector and paste it, then it's okay. Now it's okay. Now what we need to do is first body space ul comma li, and we need to style this. Margin should be 0 and padding also 0. Basic. Okay, now what we are going to do is first of all style the header. So now not header, sorry. Okay, first of all we're going to style the body separately. Body separately, and the background color for body we're going to be making it to azure and save it. Okay, now we're going to style the nav bar. So this is the class nav bar. We're going to style this nav bar. So to style it, we need to access the element by typing dot nav bar, and then do like this. So now what we are going to do is the width should be 96%. Max width should be 1200 pixel, and the margin should be 0 space auto. Means from top and bottom it should be 0, and left right bottom. And the padding should be 0 to %. Okay, and so we save that. let's go to our iEducate website. See, this is how we change implemented. So next we are going to style the header. Header. Okay, now we are going to do the background color should be black. Background color should be black, and the padding 10 pixel and 0 pixel. Let's now real quick look. This is how it will look. This is our header. Okay, the next section that we're going to style is the logo. So now we need to make a logo inside this nav bar. We need to make another class named, here. We need to make another class named logo. Okay, div.logo. Now what we need to do is to style that. Okay, I think that we should put this div inside the nav bar class. Okay, here it will fit properly. And now we need to style our logo. So the class is logo.logo, and we should style it right now. So first of all, we will set the margin to 0. Now we're gonna do background, and we're gonna choose URL, and we have a choice. So now we need to download an image. So I'll meet once downloaded an image. Okay guys, now I have downloaded the background.jpg image. So now here let's see how it looks. So it should be not too small, not too big. It should be like this, which looks good. Now we need one background image and one logo image. Now you have to download logo image from icon finder or flaticon.com. Now I have downloaded this image too. Just I'll rename this image to rocket.png, and that's it. Now here what we are going to do is write rocket.png, and that's it. Next we're going to set is background size. Background size should be 70 pixel by 70 pixel. Now we are going to do it float left, and now we're going to set its height 70 pixel and width should be 70 pixel. We are going to save it, and let's check our live preview. Wow, it looks amazing. Now what we have to do is actually we need to solve this error. We need to make them in a line and float them left. So to do that, now we are going to style the rest of the elements. And now what we are going to do is we are going to style the nav tag. First we have to write header and nav. What we are doing is inside the header we are styling the nav. That's why we written like this. Now we have to float it to the right. Here we go, it's right, and we need to save and check out the live preview. Now see, this black color is going off. To prevent that, we need to do one trick. First of all, write header, and after, so it's double, we need to keep it single, and after that we need to write content blank, clear both, and display block. This is called clear fix hack. See, now it's looking really cool. Now what we need to do is just style the remaining containers. So first of all, we need to do inside the header, inside the nav tag, inside the ul, inside the li, we need to float left. What will this do is just make it like that, and list style type none. That will remove the dots from here. and we need to give the padding of 10 pixel. See, this is it. That's it. And inside we need to copy this and then paste, and then here write A, means the anchor tag. Here we need to type text decoration and none. This will remove the line under it, and then color white. So white. Now the color will change to white, and now the font size should be 30 pixel. So now the font size is big enough. It's, I think, that's big, 25 pixel. Okay, that's it. And when someone hovers, when someone takes the mouse over here, the color should change. To do that, we need to again paste A, comma, hover, and color should be blue. And suppose I hover on it, see, the color is blue. This is how you can make your nav bar. That's it for this video, and next video we're gonna make a welcome section for our website. Thanks for watching, guys, and be tuned for the next videos, and don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss an important update about our videos.